Hydrochloric acid. When hydrogen chloride gas is dissolved in water, it gives hydrochloric acid, and hydrochloric acid produces hydronium ion and chloride ion, as a result of which it is good conductor of electricity and acidic in nature, turning blue litmus paper red. Next is lab preparation of hydrochloric acid. In the lab, it is prepared by dissolving hydrogen chloride gas in water, and the arrangement which is used to prepare hydrochloric acid in the lab is known as funnel arrangement. Just look at the figure 8.4. This is used to prepare hydrochloric acid in the lab. An inverted funnel connected to hydrogen chloride gas supply is placed in a beaker in such a way that it touches the water taken in the beaker. As HCl gas is highly soluble in water, the water rises up in the funnel, back suction occurs, and in turn, the level outside the funnel falls, creating a gap between the rim of the funnel and the surface of the water. Pressure outside and inside then becomes equal, and the water which has risen up, it falls down. This process continues till the water is saturated with hydrogen chloride gas along with water, resulting in the formation of hydrochloric acid. Now, what is the reason that the funnel arrangement is used? Number one, it prevents back suction of water so that water does not trickle back to the main apparatus and explosion occur. Second is, it provides large surface area so that more water molecules are in contact with hydrogen chloride gas, resulting in the formation of hydrochloric acid. A dilute solution of hydrochloric acid which is prepared by this method is 22.2% HCl by weight and 77.8% by water, and it boils at a temperature that is 110 degrees Celsius, and this is known as constant boiling mixture, at which liquid boils without any change in its composition. So it is a volatile acid, easily evaporate on heating. Properties of hydrochloric acid, physical properties. It is colorless, pungent, choking smell, having sour taste because it is acidic in nature. It is corrosive and causes blisters on the skin, highly soluble in water and boils at 110 degrees Celsius as it is a volatile acid. Chemical properties. Aqueous solution of the acid turns moist blue litmus paper red, methyl orange to pink, and phenolphthalein remains colorless. All the active metals which are above hydrogen in the activity series displace hydrogen from the acids, resulting in the formation of hydrogen gas. For example, Ca plus HCl gives CaCl2 plus H2, Zn plus HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. Next chemical property is action on oxides and hydroxides. As you know, oxides and hydroxides are basic in nature, so they react with acid, forming salt and water only. For example, MgO plus HCl gives MgCl2 salt plus H2O. Same way, other oxides and hydroxides also give salts and water as it is given in this table. Then reaction with the salts of weaker acids, carbonates and bicarbonates. When they react with hydrochloric acid, they results in the formation of brisk effervescence of carbon dioxide, which turns lime water milky. For example, Na2CO3 when reacts with HCl forms NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Fifth chemical property is reaction with sulfides. With sulfides, it forms sulfur dioxide gas which turns potassium dichromate paper green, orange potassium dichromate green. Example, Na2SO3 plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O plus SO2. So in all these cases, SO2 gas is released. In sulfides, it results in the formation of rotten egg-like smelling gas, hydrogen sulfide. FeS plus HCl gives FeCl2 plus H2S. Dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with thiosulfates and results in the formation of yellow precipitate of sulfur. And the reaction is Na2S2O3 plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O plus SO2 plus sulfur. This is actually a test to distinguish between thiosulfates and sulfides. Next property is precipitation reaction. Dilute HCl do not react with nitrates, but the soluble nitrates like lead nitrate and mercuric nitrate dissolves in HCl, resulting in the formation of precipitates of chlorides along with HNO3. Silver nitrate also, AgNO3, reacts with HCl, forming white precipitate of AgCl plus HNO3. This white precipitate of AgCl dissolves in excess of ammonia solution and results in the formation of a coordinate complex diamine silver 1 chloride, which also dissolves in excess of nitric acid, forming white precipitate of AgCl again. And as you know, AgCl is very sensitive to light as it decomposes to give us silver and chlorine. And students, 6th and 7th reaction that is not there in the syllabus, so you may cut it. Now come to uses of hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride is used in the manufacture of chlorides, ammonium chloride, which is used in dry cells. It is also used in drugs, paints and dyes. It is also used in industry for pickling steel, that is cleaning the metal surface with the help of hydrochloric acid. Then it is also used to purify bone black as HCl dissolved calcium phosphate. It also used to remove rust from the iron sheets by cleaning the metal. So in electrolysis chapter also we have done, before electroplating, the metal is cleaned with the help of HCl. 6th is, it is used in the extraction of glue from the bones and in tanning and calico printing industry also. Then in medicine, dilute HCl is used as it increases the digestion of the food. Last topic is test for hydrogen chloride and hydrochloric acid. It has an irritating smell, and when a glass rod dipped in HCl is brought near ammonia, it produces white fumes of ammonium chloride. With silver nitrate, it forms white precipitate of AgCl. And 4th test that is not there in the syllabus. So students, with this, hydrogen chloride chapter is completed. Thank you.